Those are scary guys.
No bad shots. Be smart. Change levels. Don't dive. Set something up. Now circle. Circle. Shuck the head by. Circle away. Hips. Be mindful of your hips.
Hey, get a stance.
Don't. There you go. Head up. Head up. Good. Get back out. Clear. Let's go. Keep that wrist. Keep the wrist. Keep the wrist. Drag it.
Hey, let's take a shot.
Maybe. Find something. Find something that want. Find something. Nah, nothing bad. Nothing bad. Just keep your head up on that. There you go. Listen. Get inside control. Change. Look how tall you are. Sink your hips a little bit. Good. Throw them up over the top if you can. There, he's high. Bob, throw him up. Go for it. There you go. Hey, circle towards it. Sit. There you go. Good. There you go.
Come on, Kurt.
Back up. Back up.
Rotate. Circle. Hey, let's go. Make something happen. Circle. Get your wrist back. Get it back. Get it back. Hey, how about that double? Big chicken from
Head up, man. You control the collar tie. Damn it. Short time, man. Short time. Try to get one. Base up. Get your hips up underneath you. Let's go. Try to sit out. Get one.
Face up. Get your head off the mat.
Throw it by. Hey, grab it. Oh, use an overtie if you have to. Use an overtie. Pummel in there a little bit. Get your head up. Don't let him control your neck like that. Bull your neck in there. Be strong. Be strong. Try to get him off balance. Let's go. Underhook that. Underhook it if you have to. Use it. Use it. Use it.
Do it. Hey, you can't wait. You can't wait.
Got your hips in too close.
Hey, if y'all throw the hook, do something with it. Hey, do that
Stay
again.
off to the side. You never want to be in that tight.